This week I'm testing the new Volvo S60 sedan, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is this rear window shade. It's really good for shading the back of the necks of rear passengers, but also for rear-facing passengers, it stops the sun coming through on their face. Number 2 is from the front screen here, you can control the rear aircon, so the fan speed as well as the temperature. Now also in the back there are the rear pillar vents, which I really like for rear passengers. Number 3 is I can turn down the parking sensor volume and the sat-nav volume using the controls on my steering wheel here, which is really nice and handy. I've really enjoyed my week with the S60. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.